how to find nearby people or user on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen to open the search page. After that, simply tap on the search address bar on the top. Then enter a location name, example your city or a specific area in the search bar, and tap on the Places tab at the top. Now from there, select the desired location from the list of the places. You can see there's a list of places available. Simply tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see posts tagged with that location. You can browse through them to find users who are nearby. Instagram does not have a specific feature to search for nearby users directly, but these methods can help you discover people in your area. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.